This may just be the pinnacle of luxury vinyl flooring. It features beautiful wood visuals, a durable design, and performance built for real life. And if you stick around to the end of the video, we're putting it to the test. Shaw Titan comes in very large planks, measuring 9 inches wide and 72 inches long. These oversized planks create an elegant, sophisticated look in your home, and they can even help smaller rooms feel more spacious. The beautiful wood visuals are available in 10 different colors, ranging from deep, rich tones to lighter, brighter shades. Each option features highly realistic wood visuals that are practically indistinguishable from the real thing. Adding to that realism is an accented bevel, which rolls the visuals over the plank's edge to simulate the look of real hardwood. Each plank is also engraved using embossed-in-register or EIR technology, which aligns the texture with the printed grain pattern to recreate the authentic look and feel of natural wood. On top of that, Titan features a low pattern repeat, helping ensure a unique and varied appearance across your floor. Kitchens and bathrooms are also fair game thanks to Titan's 100% waterproof protection. Water won't seep into the planks or through to the subfloor, so spills, splashes, and everyday messes aren't a problem. That waterproof protection is just one of the features that makes Titan a great choice for busy homes. If you have kids or pets running around, this floor is built to handle it. Titan includes Scuff Resist Platinum protection designed to shield your floors from scratches, scuffs, and dents. It also features a 30mm wear layer, which is significantly thicker than what you'll find on most residential luxury vinyl floors. And for even more peace of mind, Titan comes backed by a 20-year commercial warranty and a lifetime residential warranty. Durability isn't the only thing Titan offers, it's also designed for comfort. These planks feature soft silence noise reduction padding, which helps reduce footfall sounds while adding warmth and a softer feel underfoot. Combined with a 12mm overall thickness, Titan provides a strong, solid, and supportive feel when you walk across it. First, we tested Titan's scratch resistance by taking a set of house keys and trying to scratch the surface of the plank. Next, we dropped a large, heavy wrench onto the plank to see if the floor would dent under a strong impact. After that, we tested scuff resistance by dragging a shoe across the surface. Staining is another big concern for flooring, especially in kitchens, so we applied red wine to the surface of the plank and left it there for 5 minutes. Finally, we wanted to test Titan's water resistance, specifically whether water could soak into the planks or through the seams. To do this, we poured water directly onto the seam between 2 planks. Overall, Shaw Titan performed exceptionally well across every test. It resisted scratches, dents, and scuffs without showing any visible damage, and it handled both stains and moisture with ease. Even after prolonged exposure, liquids did not penetrate the surface or seams. Well, we hope you found this video helpful in determining whether Shaw Titan is the right choice for you. If you did, feel free to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell for future notifications about our upcoming videos. And until then, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.